You mean the world to them. I'm hearing they want to have a secret date with you, or they've had a date with you and they want another date with you. Gemini season, which we are in now, could be of importance, but they want to have alone time with you. You know, there's something about a private conversation where it's just you and them. They want to pick your brain. Like, this person finds mental stimulation highly attractive. They love conversing with you. Very attracted to your mind, your voice, your conversation. And I feel as if this person can't think about any other whenever they are around you. They want to let down their guard. They want to let down their defenses. And they want to conceal just how deeply they actually do feel for you. And I feel like this individual is trying to hide their emotions. They're trying to hide the fact that they see you as someone who is the prize. They put you on a pedestal. They see you as out of their league, but at the same time, they feel like they deserve you. They're crushing hard on you and they can't walk away from you. They try to. And they try to put you in the friend zone. They try to tell themselves, no, it's wrong, or it's not going to work, because if we date and it doesn't work out, I'm going to lose a friend, or they are my friend and I shouldn't be thinking about them in this way. But listen, you are just magnetizing. You are so sparkly, so ethereal, so hypnotic, so Moorish. It's like you take this person away to another realm. They see you as mermaid-like, siren-like. They see you as like someone that's so unique. They've never met anyone like you before. Someone that's different. Someone that knows themselves. Someone that is original in the way that you express yourself. Someone that is just a whole vibe. A whole vibe. Your energy is dreamlike. And if there were other interfering factors, they either want to close these cycles out. So if they feel like you've got options, they want these options to go away. And they will work hard to make sure these options go away. They may try and, intimidate these options somehow. They want to claim you. I also feel like if they were other options, other interfering people, they're not an issue anymore. They've cycled out these people. They've basically created boundaries and their focus is with you. They see you as very established. They've never come across anyone like you, because they feel as if you are unlike any other they've experienced before. You're ambitious, you are a go-getter, and they are turned on by that, because it's like, wow, I've met my match, or I've met someone that is very determined to create the life of their dreams. They see you as someone that has big goals and someone that is very capable of achieving these goals. You are a breath of fresh air. You are inspiring to this individual. They feel like they learn from you. you may come from different parts of the world, or you may speak different languages, or you have different interests, but they love learning about your interests, your hobbies, because it's like you speak about things they've never thought about before, and vice versa. They just feel like you both can take over the world. They feel like you can be like a power couple or something. For some of you, this is like a long distance connection, and they feel like they would literally travel and be where you are, but they could be quite stuck at the moment. It's like this person wants to come into your world. Like, your world seems so exciting. Your world seems so different. It's like you live in another timeline. You are the type of person whereby you make all your dreams become a reality, and they just feel like you're fun and extremely smegsy. Like, they're very, very turned on by you. They find you to be highly attractive, and they can't get enough of you. If you've been intimate with this person before, they are addicted to it. Or if you haven't been, they just feel like it will be life-changing. It will, literally, I feel like this individual feels like if they were to intertwine with you, their whole world would turn upside down. Like, they feel like their life will change. Like, they would have to make changes. It wouldn't just be a situation whereby they're torn as well. They're intimidated by you because they feel like, I'm here, you may have more experience, or you could show them a few things. I don't know, but they feel like you're very athletic and you'll give them a run for their money. And they also feel as if, I don't know, like this person just sees you as, this is going another way, guys. I gotta be careful with YouTube. But they just see you as someone that can match their energy. They feel like you can match their energy. You're very athletic, and they see you as someone. So that's if you've been intimate with them, and for some of you, you haven't been intimate. But they just feel like you're very exciting. They love your body. Some of you may go to the gym. They find you to be very strong, very powerful as well. But they feel like, I don't know if I'm their type. I don't know if I'm ready yet. I don't know if I'm ready to take that next step, i.e. to take it to that next level, to be intimate. Or I don't know if I'm ready to give them what I don't think I can give them. So there's a lot of fears with you, because they know that to date someone like you, their whole life will change. Like, they will have to change their whole life. You're not a person that you can just... You're a person that this person feels like they should settle down with, because cat's out the bag, they're in love with you, but they would hold this to their chest. Some of you, this person's already in a relationship, they're married, and they don't care. I'm not putting it out there, but they don't care. I'm looking at the hyphen and it's in the reverse. Person's ready to do the most. If it was a choice between you, if it was a choice between you and their spouse, they'll choose you. And that's not really good. Because they feel like they have to follow their heart. They feel like you're never going to meet anyone like you again. No one's ever going to make them feel the way you make them feel. For others of you, this person's not married. This person's single, ready to mingle with you. They want to mingle with you. They want to date you. They want to show you off. They want you to know that you mean the world to them. I'm hearing Tony Braxton, I swear you're the only thing that matters to me. I feel like you're the only person they have their eye on. You're the only person they're talking to. You're the only person that has their heart. Like, you got their heart. You or this person could be of the signs Gemini, Pisces, Leo, Aquarius. Aquarius again, Taurus, Scorpio, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Taurus, Cancer, Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising Mars, North, South Node, or Lilith. Yeah. You got a hold on this person. And this person doesn't want to let this connection go.